Welcome back to Center of the Sun. We're here today to do the daily reading. This will be for October 24th. And for the collective, anyone that is viewing this video today. So let's go ahead and see what is the energies that are surrounding us today, what we might be dealing with. Energies today. Okay, we had two cards just come out. We got the Justice card. Okay, so there might be some justice coming today. We've got the Three of Pentacles, a card of teamwork, and also that people are noticing your hard work. Okay, so let's see. Okay. We have the Hermit. The Ten of Pentacles, home, family, foundation, money. Okay. We got the Page of Pentacles. Ooh, and the Five of Swords. Oh, okay. Some kind of confrontation here. All right, so let's see. I'm going to pull some more cards and we'll try to figure out here what is going on underneath the Justice. Okay. Got the Eight of Cups. Show you that. Walking away from something that we were not happy about. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. We have the Knight of Cups just came out here. Here's someone offering a cup. Okay, let's see. The Ten of Cups came out, which is 10 is the highest in tarot. Cups are emotions. This is happiness. Okay. Six of Wands, victory and success, public recognition. We have the Five of Cups. Okay, so something. Oh, well, with the Five of Cups, it's like disappointment and regret. What is disappointing here? And then we've got the Six of Cups here. The Six of Cups is like nostalgia or longing for a familiar, happy past, you know. This is like thinking about a happy past, or this can be someone from the past, right underneath that Five of Swords. And on the bottom of the deck, we have the Full card. Okay, so the beginning of something, taking a leap of faith here on a brand new path. Okay, so what I would like to do, let me get another deck because I'm going to go a little deeper here. I want to go a little deeper because it looks like there's something that you put your time and energy into here with the Eight of Cups. A lot of emotions into it. You're walking away from that because you are walking towards something that will make you much happier with, because you're walking to the Nine of Cups, which is wishes and fulfillments. There's justice in a situation here. Okay, so I feel like today There could be a fight today, a disagreement, a disappointment today that is going to happen. There is going to be justice in a situation, and possibly someone may be walking away. Now, this is a general reading. So it could be some walking away from a job, it could be some walking away from a relationship, it could be some walking away from a friendship. Okay, people are noticing your hard work. You could be working on a team, or you could be part of a group. Okay, there is a message that is coming in here. I want to see this Knight of Cups. Who is this Knight of Cups? The Seven of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles is planting seeds for the future. It encourages long-term investment. There is someone here that wants to plant some seeds for the future. Let's get another one. Okay, me too. The Page of Wands. The Page of Wands is someone that has a lot of potential, great ideas. Okay, let's see what the other card is. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups here. There's someone here that is fiery, that is bringing you some kind of message, that is looking to invest time and energy here. Let's see what the Hermit is, because the Hermit spends time alone. Yeah, there's some kind of, with the Five of Wands, there's some kind of strife or conflict. Some kind of messaging problem or something, some kind of conflict here. The Five of Wands is not too bad. It's like petty arguments. And then you take time, to go in by yourself to contemplate and think about how you want to move forward. You are on a path of victory and success. People are noticing your hard work, public recognition of some kind, either by your boss or by the public in general. You are working on your home family foundation with the Ten of Pentacles, money as well, creating money, wealth, stability. You have a page here. Someone tries to bring you in something tangible here. You've got a heavy burden here. The Ten of Swords, there's an ending. There's an ending. The Ten of Swords is indicates of a major disaster or betrayal. And Five of Swords right here is a fight. This, it's feeling sad. Who's fighting with us here? Tell us about this argument, this Five of Pentacles. Is it someone from the past here? Someone we already know? The Three of Cups. The Ten of Pentacles. There's a celebration. The Three of Cups is some kind of party or celebration. Then you have the Ten of Pentacles, which is Ten of Pentacles is here. Home, family, foundation. Is it someone? Who's this Five of Swords? Eight of Swords, feeling stuck, trapped, like you're not sure how you want to move forward. The Two of Wands, gaining perspective, waiting for the right moment. Gaining perspective, waiting for the right moment. I may be reaching too far because this is a daily reading. But yeah, there's communication that comes in. It can be harsh communication here with the Page of Swords. The Page of Swords can be a little bit reckless. Okay. Judgment, heartbreak. Okay, here we go. Here's the story. Oh no. Okay. Feeling stuck, trying to gain perspective. There is communication comes in, could be from an air sign, possibly. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. There's a decision made with the Judgment card. There has been heartbreak, Three of Swords, heartbreak, grief. It's important to remember that this feeling here doesn't last forever. There is the Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords is truth and clarity in a situation, but the Tower is right after it. So there is truth, victory, success, but on that same note, that sword can cut as well. And then you've got the Tower, which is a shakeup. And then we have the Queen of Swords, where, at this point now you're the Queen of Swords, you're like, she's the card that pops up when you're upset. At least in my readings, when you have took your final stand, she uses her head instead of her heart to make fair judgment. Okay, she's emotionally understanding, but fair. Okay, so she has this sword up, and she will cut, or she will stand up and make a fair judgment, a right judgment. Is the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords is also someone that has been through many. She's very wise. She's been through a lot of different experiences. So she doesn't deal with a whole lot of nonsense, okay? But she's still a very loving, beautiful queen. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that this is a bad air sign. Queens are bad. It's just the energy that, she can take on here. So I feel like, this is a daily reading. There is a lot of cards here, but there is some kind of fight, upsetment, decision being made, some truth being told. As well. There's something that for some could be holding on to that you need to let go of here. Could be someone from the past, someone you already know, someone that, or there's something here with the Six of Cups. Maybe there was an equal give and take, but whatever it is, it was making you feel depressed, stuck here. Okay. So, and I see if maybe, well, we have the leaving in the beginning of the day and the fighting here at the end too. So, I'll just put it as today. I was thinking maybe, we're starting to have, because see, you have some good cards that are right in here towards the beginning here, and it looks like the fight's somewhat towards the end of the day, but um, that could change for some, because I see someone walking away right here. Um, and like I said, it doesn't have to be physically leaving, but you do have a full card here. You've got a brand new start that's happening, a leap of faith, to move forward. I pulled a card for us from the Mystical Wisdom deck for the end, for advice for us for today. We have Archangel Raphael. And, Archangel Raphael he's one of God's holy angels who rose up, whose role is to minister God and his people. Which means God heals, bestows divine healing and miracles to people and animals upon the earth. So for those who want to become healers, doctors, and care workers, it's comforting to know that you have an almighty angel ready and waiting to be here for service. Summons Raphael to your side if you are in need, and he encourages you to surrender negative thoughts and replace them with forgiveness and love, as he will encourage your recovery and honor you with inner peace. So we do have Archangel Raphael here, the angel of healing for mind, body, and spirit, here today. So we may need to call on him for some healing. He not only takes care of God's people, but God's animals as well. So that is our advice. If things get rough here, we should pray to Archangel Raphael for some guidance and some help in this situation. But there is something that we are walking away from, something that kept you oppressed, stuck. It is an ending, 10 of Swords. There was fighting, there was conflict, could be someone from the past. You are working on your home family foundation, your money. You are having victory and success in that. People are noticing your hard work. You could be working on a team or have a team, or something to that effect. But there is going to be truth and clarity coming out here, and it is going to shake us up a bit today. If it's not today, tarot, it's not an exact time. But this is a daily reading, and that's what has come up for today. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. That is what we got. Much love to you guys. Like I said, if you need any guidance, any help, Archangel's here with us today. So much love to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this reading. And I will be here for the tomorrow reading. Mwah, much love to you guys.